For some reason,
It's
as long as
it's a control, and that's okay. You know what I mean? The only problem is that my job is to help him get past that uncomfortable.
right.
But if we have to do it so where he's comfortable and comfortable and comfortable and comfortable, and then just barely move it on his turn, we can do that. You know what I mean? We can do it. He did really good today. He liked showing off for grandma, which was wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. He hadn't got a phone possession of you. Yeah.
If I think about
You're a big swimmer.
where he was in the beginning of the summer, I mean, he'd be huge progress.
Well, and for them to regress like he did is very typical. You know, I had a little girl who, that was like, she was really good the first session. The second session, the first week, was terrified. Like, if I came near her, she would bolt. Not just, I'm done. She would run away screaming. I feel like the wicked witch sometimes. You know, but it's just that I'm associated with the pool.
But Mom is not wearing her goggles.
So literally for like 5 sessions, we just played in the shower room and we practiced the ready, go, cue.